Aveho is odor removal technology. Some might look at that and say, that's just the marketing guys coming up with fancy terminology for air fresheners. And with so many different air fresheners and odor control products on the market, making claim after claim after claim, we understand why you might think that way. But Aveho is different. And hopefully by the time this video is over, you'll understand why. Odors are caused by odor molecules coming off any number of sources. You know what they are: shoes, garbage, duffel bags, etc. When an air freshener is sprayed on or around odors, all it does is mix with the molecules. That's why sometimes when you walk into a bathroom, you smell a mixture of air freshener and, the person that was there before you. When Aveho is sprayed, one of two things happens. It captures it and binds it, or it captures it and converts it. Either way, it completely eliminates the odor. Why it's necessary at times to reapply Aveho? Let's say you have this many bad odor molecules in your car, but it only takes this many for your nose to detect the smell. You could spray Aveho and make this happen as we've learned, but if these two guys are still around, nothing has changed as far as your nose is concerned. One more application should take care of it, but depending on the odor and the amount of Aveho that is applied, it may take several applications. So you see, odor removal technology is not just fancy terminology for air fresheners. Stop masking odors. Eliminate them forever with Aveho.